Your occupation is your job. The word hazard means danger or risk. Occupational hazards are risks of illnesses or accidents in the workplace. In other words, hazards that workers experience in their place of work. Occupational hazards are unpleasant things that people suffer as a result of doing their job. Being attacked by a dog is one of the occupational hazards that postal workers must face. Some dictionaries say that an occupational hazard also includes injuries that people suffer as a result of working on their hobbies. If, for example, you suffer an injury while you are surfing, you could refer to it as an occupational hazard. Occupational hazards are more common among those who like rock climbing, cliff diving, and skydiving than those who enjoy stamp collecting or meditation, for example. A biological hazard is a type of occupational hazard. Biological hazards or biohazards refer to biological substances that threaten the health of human beings and other living organisms. This type of hazard may include samples of a toxin of a biological source, a virus, or a microorganism. Specifically, samples that harm human health. Chemical hazards are occupational hazards that exposure to chemicals in the workplace may cause. Victims can suffer acute or long-term negative health effects. There are hundreds of hazardous chemicals, including immune agents, dermatologic agents, neurotoxins, and reproductive toxins. Sensitizers and systemic toxins are also hazardous chemicals. Physical hazards are also types of occupational hazards. Physical hazards may be factors, agents, or circumstances that can cause harm without or with contact. We classify them as either environmental hazards or occupational hazards. Radiation, heat and cold stress, vibrations, and noise, for example, are types of physical hazards. Psychosocial hazards are occupational hazards that affect employees' psychological health. These hazards affect their ability to take part in a work environment with other colleagues. Psychosocial hazards are associated with how the work was designed, organized, and managed. They are also related to the social and economic context of the work. Workers suffer psychological or psychiatric injury or illness. Some also suffer physical injury or illness.